Normally, hammocks are used for swinging, sleeping, or resting. But you can use hammocks inside your homes for storing stuff, as well as catching and storing water outside. The hammock I'm showing you in this video is for emergency shelter. You can also put a tarp on top of it to cover or protect yourself from sun, dew, or rain. If you have the longer rope, then you can back it up to make an emergency stretcher as well. You just have to be a little innovative to use it differently. I'm just making it for having fun and showing you a little trick on how to build a hammock with one rope and one knot. Let's jump into the video to see how you can make a hammock with one rope and one knot.